So let's say as per the postal code, you want to go ahead and search for cities as needed. So for that, in Jotform, you can actually go ahead and add in a postal code search widget. So to do that, you can click on add element and then you can go to widget. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and type in postal right here. Once you do that, you get the option postal code search. Go ahead and click, and over here on the right hand side now, you can see that you can choose a particular country right here. Well, let me just go ahead and select all country right here, and you can even change out the label name. So it's a select country, so let's just say country, and for postal code, let's just say postal code right here. Then I'm going to say city right here on the label and cities list right here and update it out. So once that is done, let me just go around onto preview form right here. Once you do that, you can go ahead and select out a country. Let's say I'm going to select United States, and I'm going to go ahead and add in a postal code as 11101 right here, and then it'll simply show the city as Long Island City. But let's say you just know the few numbers of postal code, so I'm just going to type 111. Then it'll say that there are 83 cities with 111. So you can go ahead and select out from 83 cities. Now let me just go ahead and say 1110, and with that you can see it says 7 cities. So now there's 7 cities starting with 1110, and Long Island City, the one that displayed before, is here as you can see right here. You can go ahead and select now just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the postal code search widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe